my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video. This is a quick put it on and go wig. There's no lace, there's no glue, there's no nothing. You just take it out of the bag and you put it on. By the way, this hair is from Luvme hair. I'm gonna have all the information down in the description box, the link and everything. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. All right guys, so let's just get right into it. This is the box that it came in. It says Luvme on it, from Luvme hair. And it came with some goodies as usual. So it came with a wig cap. So I really didn't need this wig cap that I already have on from my other wigs. And then it came with a nice bag of goodies. It's a really cute bag. I can use it like for my other stuff. Oh, it came with a headband. It came with bobby pins. We're always losing these, so you know this is, you know, very handy. And it came with edge brush. Sorry, an edge brush. I love it. I love these ones because it has like the brush over here and then it has the little comb, like the fine comb right there. And yeah, this is the nice cute bag. It says Luvme. There, you can see it like this. Luvme hair on it. And last but not least, it also came with the wig, obviously, because if it didn't, I don't know. All right, so let's open this up and see what we're working with. Okay, so at first it looks like a cute little furry curly ball. All right, so this is the wig. All right, so let's start with inside. There is no lace at all. There's no lace at all. There are 3 combs on each side. A lot of people like to take off the combs, but I like to leave combs because I find that it helps me secure it a little bit better. But be careful because it will take out your edges if you do it too much. And it came with a plastic, I mean, not a band, like a elastic band to secure it better. This right here. All right, so let me put it on. This is new and interesting. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so these are the bangs right here. This is the hair. Is this how short the video is gonna be? Because I don't need to do anything to it. This is so cute. Okay, so let me just fix it up. It's so nice and simple. This is giving like wash and go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fix it up a little bit more because you see how it's kind of like flat and then here, like I want it to be curly all over. So let me just shake it. And then maybe if I put it more in the front, then the bangs will show more like this. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. I love it. You know what's amazing? The fact that I literally just put it on. There was no, oh, is my lace showing? Oh, am I blended? Nothing. Like you guys just saw me put it on, literally. And look how it moves and everything. I'm trying to think if I want to try anything else with it. No, like, and it's super soft. Oh, it feels so nice and soft. So basically, I can put it like this, okay, which I think is super cute. Which is super cute. Or I can put it more back if I don't want the bangs to be too much on my face. I can have it like this, which I like too. You guys know I try to be as versatile as I can with you guys to show you different tips on how to actually work with the hair. So what I'm gonna try to do is take some mousse and put mousse in it and then see what that does. Okay, so I got my Herbal Essence mousse. This is the Body Envy volumizing mousse. I'm gonna try to do like a more tamed curl. Like this is more like wild, you know, like carefree type of hair. I'm gonna try to put it in and then see what it does. So I always shake my mousses. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I always do. And then I'm gonna put this much in my hand, and then I'm just gonna put it in the hair. This is even less work than headband wigs, because headband wigs you kind of gotta do your edges and all of that. But this, see, I'm defining the curls. Okay, let me come closer so you can see that I'm defining the curls, and the curls are so beautiful. Look at that. Sorry, the lighting is a bit off too. This is reminding me of when my sisters used to do jerry curls in their hair. I don't know why. I wasn't allowed to when I was younger. This is another way. It's still super curly, and it's still like, it still has volume, but it's not as like crazy as before, right? Okay. All right, let's try a different way to do it. You guys know I love me a side part. Even with bangs, I think you can still do like a side something. So let's see if I try to put everything more on one side. Could work. Just putting more mousse on one side with still the bangs, which is super cute. I don't know which one I like more yet. Okay, and then this is an actual, oh, and here's a different way too. Here's a different way to wear it. This is cute. This is like, this is basically like if you did have lace and then the curly hair. I like this way also. Alright, and then we can even do a behind the ear thing like this. I love this look. I'm loving this. Okay, and let's do the test, like the dancing test. This is not how I dance, everyone. Okay. Ooh. First of all, it's nice and secure. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it stays nice and it goes right back. So we could do this behind the ear also. Yeah, so this wig, even though it does have bangs, there's no lace. As I showed you, it is very versatile. I can try the middle part bang. Oh, you guys see how big my forehead is? Okay, hold on, let's put this here. Yeah, then you can do like a middle part bang thing too, which is super duper cute. Let's talk about the shedding. There is no shedding. Like, okay, so there's one strand right here, but that's it. And that's a good thing. Why? Because curly hair is like, it's famous for shedding, okay? So I love the fact that as I was putting on the mousse and I was doing this to it, it did not shed. Well, it had that one strand, but that's completely fine. The hair quality, it's super soft. It's super soft. And you guys, I've had this in my, like I've had to review this for a long time, and I've had it in my closet for a long time. And as I'm taking it out, it's like I just bought it. So it's amazing. The hair quality is amazing. It's nice and soft. You can tell it's human hair. I love it. I really do. The curls are really nice. The curls got even nicer as I wet them with the mousse. I don't want to actually wet them with water right now, only because I'm loving how it's looking right now. I really love it, you guys. And I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of hearing me say I love it, but honestly, you guys know I'm not gonna come in here and suggest for you guys to spend your money on things that you shouldn't spend your money on. Luvme hair is always quality. I've bought Luvme hair with my own money. Like, I've spent hundreds on Luvme hair of my own money, and I keep going back because it's one of my favorite hair companies. So thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending this wig for me to review. It is amazing for summertime. And you know what this would be amazing too? Like, you know when you want to be versatile for vacation or something like that? Like, you literally put your hair back and then you put on the wig, and then there you go. You have your short curly hair. Like, it's cute. I'm pretty sure they have other links too. I'm going to put in the description below what this length is. But yeah, this is, I love it. I love it. So again, thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys like it. They have promo codes, so make sure you head onto their website and get yourself this wig. I'm gonna have all the information down in the description bar. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.